impeachment inquiry into Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg continues apace today in Pierre. This time, reporters have been allowed into the room to hear the testimony of those speaking before the committee today. Our Austin Goss has been in the room, gives us the latest updates from Pierre.
Law enforcement officers involved in the inquiry into the crash that killed Joe Boever were grilled for several hours Tuesday about what happened that September 2020 night. But much of the conversation also had to do with the mechanics of the investigation and how it was conducted.
When we were working through what information to publicly post through the process,
yes, please.
Yes, we would have been in contact, or I would have been in contact with other people.
And who would that have been?
Legal counsel. I would have been in contact with my supervisor, which was the governor. There's a number of people that we process it with.
It's the first time that the public has had access to these hearings, after they met in executive session through their first 3 meetings, including one Monday to officially redact certain documents.
For some reason, the driver was distracted and was driving on the shoulder. And also that was important to me because then I also knew that if he were driving in his lane, the crash never would have happened.
Lawmakers on the committee questioned how investigators came to the conclusions they did in the investigation, specifically where Joe Boever was initially hit. Lawmakers pointed to a supplemental crash report, which has yet to be made public, that suggests that Boever may have been hit closer to the road. But each member of law enforcement who came before lawmakers delivered the same message, that they were essentially positive that Ravnsborg struck Boever on the shoulder.
The vehicle was not only on the shoulder, but that vehicle crossed the rumble strip with the right and left side tire of the vehicle, and I would say 100%.
The committee will meet Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. to further discuss the matter and to hear more testimony. In Pierre, I'm Austin Goss.